When you recruit people, you'll know that the process is expensive and time-consuming. Sometimes it can feel like you're in a maze, and when you get to the end, the result is often less than you'd hoped for. I'll introduce you to a methodology that significantly reduces the amount of management time it takes to shortlist candidates. 7 Levels does this by combining best recruitment practice with the latest internet technology to cut down on complexity and put you in control. Arguably, the most important management task is matching people to jobs. Yet resourcing processes, including shortlisting, interviewing, and the management of talent, have become complex, time-consuming, very expensive, and inefficient. Despite advances over recent years in interview skills and psychometric analysis, a successful appointment is often attributed to chemistry, and technology is adding to the problem for many managers. Today, a manager wanting to fill a vacancy is faced with a bewildering range of recruitment options, from job boards to social media. Not only is the advertising of a vacancy difficult, they can then be faced with an overload of CVs in different formats. Despite the claims of some leading job sites, the matching of people to jobs generates many misfits, and there is considerable sifting and sorting before a shortlist is available. As if this is not time-consuming enough, the recruiter has to make a shortlist decision that is defensible, given the real possibility of a claim for unfair selection. It is no wonder that the hard-pressed manager tends to offload recruitment to external consultancies, but at significant cost. And that is just shortlisting the candidates. There are also systematic errors in the interviewing process. Progressively, over the last 20 years, competency-based interviewing has become the norm. Now many employers are questioning whether this approach represents best practice. Amongst other issues, it is not only the interviewer that has been trained in these techniques. Certainly, competency-based interviewing has inherent limitations when assessing a person's potential. The standard question that starts, "Give me an example of the time when," clearly falls short when you're trying to assess how someone will handle challenges that they have yet to experience. Poor recruitment practice starts because job specifications and CVs are written in different ways using different dimensions. This makes matching people to jobs difficult for managers and almost impossible for computers to do accurately. We solve the problem by using detailed job and person profiles that share a common language and the same dimensions. The extent of the match can be measured. Measuring the extent of the match between people and jobs enables good selection decisions. It also generates deep insight into the capability of the people and the way they're organised and managed. When the match is made, people are placed into jobs in which they unlock their own potential and make their most valuable contribution. Good recruitment practice has always started with being clear about the job requirements and person specification. 7 Levels makes the writing of a job and person specification easy and is a prerequisite for accurate matching. We also reinvent the CV. The capability-based profile is a completely new way of developing a personal profile. It transforms a traditional CV and provides a basis for an in-depth capability-based interview. Undertaking a capability-based interview not only illuminates how someone thinks and makes sense of their work, it uncovers a person's potential to do work they have yet to experience. For organisations, there are multiple benefits. Matching becomes surprisingly easy. Not only is the matching process quick and accurate, it's completely without any illegal bias. When the capability-based profile is used extensively, employers get a full picture of their workforce capability, including hidden potential. 7 Levels provides best practice components that build into a complete system. Crucially, we are also technology experts. With 7 Levels, you get bespoke recruitment solutions for the cost you would normally pay for standard systems. To find out more, please contact Linda at 7 Levels.